Hello, hello! Today we will be shading 3D objects. So, let's see what do we have in our book. Well, we see multiple 3D shapes right here. So, let's start by making our first one, which is a cube. At first, let's make these 3 lines. And then make the top surface of it. Yes, we will try and make a diamond here. Then we will join the 2 bottom lines. Once we are done with that, we will start by making the next one, which is a cuboid, and it is a box. Let's make this slowly and nicely. Make the side part of the box. Yes, of the lid, and after that, make the bottom part. Now comes the next one, which is also a cuboid, but we see the front part of the building. So let's make it that way. At first, we will make a 2D rectangle. And after that, we will make the extension of it and make the back part. Once we are done with that, we will start by making the windows of it, for which we can use a scale. Make a sleeping line and then 2 standing lines right here. And after that, let's start making sleeping lines within for the beautiful windows. Try and make all of these sleeping lines at equal distance. Now make these lines on the outer edge as well. And these lines will be in the middle of these beautiful windows right here. Let's make this together. The next thing we do is make the entire door. And then the top part. Make the windows which are on the back side as well. You can use a scale for the same. Or you can even draw it freehand. The next thing we do is make this cylinder, for which we will be making an oval at first and then start making these standing lines from both the sides of our oval and then join it with a curved line. This looked simple, isn't it? Continue making the candle in a similar way. After that, let the flame come from inside the oval and then make this part wherein the wax is dripping. Yes, we will make these curved lines for the drip. Let's make this slowly and nicely. This is interesting. The next part we do is sketch this. Yes, we will use a black sketch pen to sketch the entire drawing. If you wish to, you don't have to sketch it as well. Complete the entire sketching in a similar way. Go right on top of the pencil marks. Do not make any mistake, or else it is going to be difficult for you to erase this. Complete the entire thing in a similar way. And after that, erase all the pencil marks you see. This looks brilliant. Let's take magenta color at first and color very lightly over here. Yes, on the part which is facing us right now. And after that, let's take red color and color right on top. This looks brilliant. With the same red color, we will color the top part. Yes, by releasing the pressure and coloring lightly. This looks amazing. Take a brown color and do the side part. Again, we will do this very slowly and lightly. And after that, we will take ochre color on top of it and color it. Finally, let's take the same ochre color and color right here. And then let's take a light ochre and color on top. This looks brilliant. The next thing we do is take an ochre color once again and color lightly on the building. And after that, take a dark ochre color and do it at the back. This looks wonderful. Let's color all of these windows with brown color now. That's great. We can also do the door with this. And then let's give this a finishing touch up with grey color. The next thing we do is do the cylinder. Start with doing the maroon color in the middle and then release the pressure and color lightly on the sides. Yes, something like this. Color this slowly and nicely. And finally, let's make lines with this light green color. Yes, make the lines a little darker. And after that, color inside a little lighter. This looks interesting. Give a beautiful outline with your light green color over here. That's great. And finally, do orange and yellow right here. This looks beautiful. All our 3D objects are ready.